Hi friends, today topic is pipe and system. If you are not watching Time and Work in our channel, please go and watch because Time and Work, pipe and system, work and wages are brothers and sisters. If you are not go and watch, I will share the link. I will share the link in the description section as well as the in the video I section. Please click on that. You will get the link. Okay, let's start the session for the pipe and system. Okay, initial problem. I will take the first problem. Okay, see friends, I will tell the one logic here. Same as it is time and work. If uh, if more men is do a one work, if more men do a one work in one day, that means if more men are there for doing a work, that should be take less days. Okay, if less men are doing a work, it will take more days. This is the one logic I need to highlight here. Like that, uh, Python system and time and work is a same principle. This is the basic formula I need to tell. M1 D1 T1 E1 W2 S2 as well as M1, M2, D2, T2, E2, W1, S1. See, I already told M1. The thing is, if uh, if I'm doing the work, then only we will get the salary. That means the men and work is always directly proportion. The men and days is obviously inversely proportional. Why? Because already if more men are there, it will take less to complete the work. If less men are there, that means if we take more days, like that, the logic would be applied. Or else, if the combination work happen from A and B, that should be the formula should be Nm divided by M plus N. If you're not understand, please go and because this is the session for Python system. That's why I'm not understand. This is the basic agenda. I need to tell highlight here. Okay, let's solve the problem. We'll understand. The two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 36 hours. Okay, in 36 hours and 45 hours. See, A and B are the pipes. One pipe fill in 36 hours. Understand? The other pipe can fill the tank in 45 hours. Therefore, the total work should be the total. How is the total means the LCM? If you are not watching the LCM and the LCM topic, definitely you will difficult for while solving the LCM and LCF problem. Please go and see the video for the SCF and LCM. What is the LCM? 36 and 45, 9 for the 36, 9 for the 45. Therefore, the 4 and 5 is not totally by any of the number. 4 for the 20, 20 into 9, 180, 180. That means why I am taking the LCM. This is the overall work doing from A and B. This is the 180 unit. For the single work, how much should be? 38 divided by 6 is 5 unit per second. 5 unit per hour. This is the hour. For 1 hour, 5 unit work is happen. As well as for B, 180 divided by 41 means 4 unit per hour. Therefore, the combination of work happen A plus B is 9 unit. This is the first method. Sir. This is the first trick. For 9 unit, that means 9 plus 1 is equal to, that means the total should be A plus B is equal to 9 unit per hour. That means per hour means 9 unit. The work should be happen for 1 hour. Therefore, the overall work for combination work should be 180 unit. How should be happen 180 unit? What is the question? If both pipes are open simultaneously, how much time will be taken to fill the tank? Okay, if both are happened, how much time it should be filled? It will take already I told uh, 1 into for 180 means there should be numerator, keep it as same 1 into 1. Numerator denominator already covered in unitary method. That means it will take less time, more time only for 180 unit. 180 divided by 9. That means how much should be? What time? 20 hours. See, 20 hours to fill the tank if both pipes are open. See, the single, if one pipe are open, that should be filled in 36 hours. If one more pipe, B can fill in 45 hours. If combinations of happen for filling the tank, this should be take 20 hours only. It will take less time compared to that A and B. If the combination work is happen to fill the tank like that. This is the one method. This is a very easy method by solving the problem. One more thing, already I told the basic formula. We can easily solve from the basic formula if you know the formula. Combination I already told. A plus b is equal to nm divided by n plus m. That means 36 into 45. N means 36, 45, 36 plus 45. Understand? If okay, 36 into 45, 36 plus 45 is equal to 81. How should be? Um, 45. Sorry. Um, 4 the 9 the 9 1 the 9 5 the 5 4 the 20 20 was either you can use the formula method or else LCM method. The answer should be the same only. Why I always choose that LCM method only? Why? Because sometimes we are forgetting the formula on that time. If you know the logic, definitely when easily solve the problem by using LCM method. LCM method, why I'm taking some of the time crucial situation should be happen in the problems. I will tell uh, in next problem, next future problems. I will tell. Let's see for the next problem. Okay, a pipe can fill a tank in 15 hours. Okay, a tank in 15 hour. Fine. And due to the leak in the bottom, it will fill in 20 hours. That means the leak is happened. Okay, it will take more time further instead of 15 hours, 20 hours. Okay, therefore total units should be 20, 15 into what is the LCM for that one? 5 3 the 5 for the 3 for the 12, 12 for the 60. Therefore 60 unit is a total work should be 60 unit. For the single hour, how much should be? 4 unit per hour, 3 unit per hour, 3 unit per hour. Because here it is the leak. The leak I always used to mention, please leak like that, better to mention dash like that, because we need to dash means leak means we need to minus. Understand? A plus leak, a plus leak, that means a plus leak. We need to minus because leak is happened means 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 unit per hour. Okay, 1 unit per hour. Therefore, 60 total work is happened for 60 unit is equal to 60 hour. It will take 60 hour to fill that tank. Understand? This is the basic method. This is the first method. The second method, if anything, a minus b like that, this happened on that time, same as it is formula, 15 nm into nm divided by n minus cm like that formula is appearing. Therefore 15 into 20, 20 minus 15, therefore 15 to the 300, 5, therefore 5 6 the 60 hour. Either you can choose this method or else that method. Understand? If any leak means A minus B is equal, this is the formula A plus B nm divided by n plus 1 for the A plus B formula. Understand? Okay, let's move on to the next problem. A pipe A can fill a tank in 20 hours, while B alone can fill a tank in 30 hours. Okay, I will return what are the given question. A 20 hours, understand? And B can fill in 30 hours and C is empty. Okay, this is the output. C means empty. That means C dash. We need to take a set dash like that. We need to minus. Keep this as note. 40 hour. I will dash make it as, otherwise I will confusion. You also confuse. Make whenever the problem like that it is coming, please make it as dash like that. 30 40. Okay. For the LCM anyway 20 is divided by 40. 40 divided by 20. Just I will neglect this one. Therefore, what is the LCM? 3, 4, then it should be 120 LCM, 120 unit. Therefore, A for 1 hour, how much should be? 6 unit per hour, 6 unit per hour, as well as 30 means 4 unit per hour. Here it is 3 unit per hour. Therefore, the combination of work A plus B plus C dash. If all the pipes are open, how much time to fill that tank? That is the dash we have. We need to highlight 6 plus 4, 9 minus 6 plus 4, 10. 10 minus 3 is directly I'm returning 9. 6, sorry, 10 means 10 minus 3, 7. 7 unit for 1 hour. Okay, for total work is happen from the both 120 unit. Therefore 1 keep it as like that one. Okay, Uh, Here 120 divided by 7. Why? Because it will take more time. That's why we make it as numerator 120. 7 divided by 120 means how much will be? 7 on the 7. 5 0. 7 7 the 49. 49. 1 carry 17. 1 by. Sorry. Yeah, 17 1 by 7. Our option here not up here. None of the above. The answer should might be option is missing. 17 1 by 7 is the answer. If you are not because if three questions are up here, we can either solve by formula method as well. A B C, A plus B plus C. Yes. For this question, A plus B plus C is equal to A B C is equal to, here it is minus. I will show the formula. A B plus B C plus C A. For A plus B plus minus C, like that formula is happening. A B C, A C plus C B minus A B. Because why? Because we need to take positive as the A B. Just 20 into 30 into 40. Therefore 30 into 40 it is fill the tank, plus 20 into 40 minus 20 into 30. If you are solving the same answer is coming, solve from your end, it will same answer will come. The next problem, in what time would a cistern be filled by three pipes whose diameter is 1 centimeter, 1 by 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter running together? Okay, fine, I missed the one problem. Two pipes A and B can fill a cistern in 1 hour and 75 minutes. Okay, two pipes A, B. I will, okay. A is 1 hour means I will take it as minutes, 60 minutes. Was one more is 75. 1 hour means 60 minutes, 75 minutes, and respectively. There is an outlet for outlet C. Okay, outlet is C. If all the pipes C is not all given, if all the three pipes are open together, the tank is filled in 50 seconds. Okay, the thing they are given A plus B plus C dash, make it a C dash. Why? Because it is the outlet. That's why I make it a C dash. 50 50 minute, 50 minute, make it as a dash, combination happen. Therefore overall thing is 50, LCM should be 50 60 75. Almost should be 510 the 512 the 515 the. Okay, again 5 on the 5 2 the 5 12 the 5 3 the 2 is 12 is completely divisible 2 as well as 3. I will neglect 2 1 3. The LCM 5 5 the 25 25. Okay, 12 5 the 60 60 into 5 300 unit, 300 unit for overall things. Therefore single minute, for the single minute how much work is taken, here it is 5 unit per minute as well as 4 unit per minute. Here it is 6 unit per minute. Therefore, A plus B plus C dash is equal to how much time take? It is 6 year coming, 6 year. The question, how much time will be taken? C empty the time. The we need to calculate C only. Then we already know A and B. We need to calculate C1. 5 plus 4 plus C dash is equal to C. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 minus 6 is 3 unit per C dash is equal to 3 minus 3 unit for 1 minute. That means minute we are calculating, that's why. Therefore overall unit is 300. 300 unit means if we take motor 1 into 300 divided by 3, that means 100 minute to empty that tank. The answer is 100 minute. Understand? Or else you can either solve by formula method as well, solve from your end. This is the answer for this question, 100 minute to empty the tank. Okay, for the outlet C. Okay, next question. In what time would a cistern be filled by three pipes? Okay, whose diameters are okay. A, B, C are pipes. A, B, C are pipes. Fine. Then the thing is given the diameter 1 centimeter, 1 by 1 centimeter as well 2 centimeter. Fine. Running together when the largest alone will eat for 61 minutes. Okay, I need to highlight this is diameter means 1. This is the 4 3 1 the 3 1 4 4 by 3 as well as 2. Uh, from the LCM, how much should be? What is the LCM for this one? 3 1. Okay. Okay, see the question. 61 minutes. The amount of water flowing in each pipe being proportional to square of the diameter. Okay, the water flow should be square of the diameter means we need to highlight d square is equal to 1. 4 for the 16 and 9, 3 3 the 9 and 4. Largest time what should be the it should be it is not at all highest diameter. This is not also diameter. This is the largest diameter to fill the tank. That means 4. 4 is the large for 61 minute. Okay, for single one how much time it will take for 1 centimeter? It will take more time only, then it should be 61 into 4 by it will take more time. Okay, fine. This 61 into 4 I will take make it as this one. I will not multiply, otherwise the calculation should be difficult. That's why for 16 by 9 it will take also more time. Therefore keep it as 61 into 4 divided by 61 divided by 9, therefore 4 on the 4, therefore 16 into 9 by 4. Fine, this is the one criteria. Okay, make it as now the ABC become what is the thing. Now the ABC become 61 minus 61 into 4, 61 into 4, and B become 61 into 9 by 4, and the C become 61. Therefore LCM should be 61 into 9 into 4 unit. Okay, if I'm for the 4 unit means for this is the centimeter for the flow, then it should be unit per centimeter, or could be the things 9 unit per centimeter is happening. Okay, this is the minute. Okay, sorry, 61 minute it is highlighting the minute. Sorry, 69 unit per minute, as well as if you are LCM that one 61 61 this should be cancelled. 61 into 9 it should be cancelled. 4 for the 16 should be happening. 6 9 16 minute, as well as 61 61 cancelled, remaining 9 into 4 that should be 36 minute. Okay, 36 minute. If we are adding A plus B plus C should be how much? 9 into 16 into 9, that should be 61. If you're adding that all the things, 61 unit for 1 minute. Unit 60 minute. This is the minute. Okay, 1 minute. Then what is the total unit work? 61 into 9 into 4. Then it should be take more 1 into that should be cancel. Okay, I will make it as 61 into 9 into 4 divided by 61, cancel, therefore it will take 9 for the 30 61 61 cancel 36 minute. Okay, answer is 36 minutes. That means if the both pipes are, if all the pipes are open, it will fill the tank with respect to 36 minutes, because they given the hint is 61 minutes for the largest pipe. Largest means is just directly proportional to the square of the diameter. There should be, we need to calculate with respect to the other things, other remaining pipes. After that, we are addition of those things, we will get the answers. For 36 minutes it filled the tank. Okay, this is the answer for this question. Next problem. Okay, there is a leak. There is a leak in the bottom of the cistern. When the cistern is thoroughly repaired, it would be filled by 3.5 hours. Okay. Okay. Initially, 3.5 hour. It would be now it takes half an hour extra. If it is not leak, it will fill the tank in 3.5 point of. 3.5 hour. If it is leaked, it should be take off for, it will take more time. That means 4 thing 4 hour. The formula should be we already know for the A minus B. Leak means, or else use LCM, and this is the fraction is the present. That's why I'm not at all going for LCM at 3.5. 4 minus 3.5. That means now 35 means 35 into 2 70, 70 into 2, okay, 14, because double the times 70, 70 into 140. 40 means 4.0, that means zero point 0.5. Okay, fine turns, okay, fine to the uh, 10. Okay, 28 is the answer for this question. 28 hours to fill the tank for this, or else do LCM method 7 by 2, 3.5, 7 by 2, or for solve from your end. Definitely will get the same answer, 28 hours. The answer is 28 hours. The two pipes A and B fill the tank in 24 minutes. Okay, fine. A 24 minute, and B 32, sorry, 32 minute, 32 minute. Therefore, 24, 32 LCM, 24, 32 LCM. Therefore, 8, 3, the 8 for the 3 for the 12, 12 8 the 96, 96 unit, 96 unit. If both pipes are open simultaneously, after how much time should be closed? Then the tank is filled in 18 minutes. Okay, fine. This is a very easy question. We need to highlight uh, three. See, friends, for a single minute, how much for a minute, how much time it will take for A? 24 divided by 6, the 4 unit per minute. Okay, as well as 32, 96 divisible by 3 unit per minute. Fine. Okay. Here the question is, if both pipes are open simultaneously, after how much time B be closed? Okay. If um, B is closed means A can do the work completion, means A means that should be completed over so that a B is closed, so that the tank is filled in 18 minutes. See, A is doing the work for A is doing the work. That means B is closed means A is doing the work until it stops. That means 18. Here given the 18 means B is closed. But A can do the work up to the completion. Then we need to find the B1 B into N. I don't know how much time it takes. That's why I take it as N. The overall work is 96 unit. Overall work is 96 unit. A unit is 4. 4 18 the I will take it as 4 into 18, as well as B is 3, and N I don't know how much time we need to calculate. Total unit is 96. Therefore, I will segregate 4 3 as anyway we need to take the comma. 6 into 3 I will make it as 6. 3N is equal to 96. I will take it as common 3 3. How much it is divisible? 3 3 and 3 to the answer should be 24 plus n. 24 plus n is equal to 32. N is equal to 32 minus 24 is 8 hour. We will take 8 hour until that will work. After that it will close. Therefore, sorry, 8 hour, not 8 hour, that is minutes, right? 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Answer is 8 minutes for this term. The thing is, we need to see the formula. What are the hints are given? Here B is closed, means A should be work until the work completion. That means that's why I am taking the 80 minutes complete the work. Okay. The total work should be 96. Then it should be 8 minutes. Okay, like that we need to solve the problem. For understanding the problem, if you understand the problem, definitely it could be very easier to solve any of the problem by using this logic. Okay, why I am always used to prefer LCM method, already initial session I told, because this is the one total work we are getting here only. That's why if you are doing LCM method, we will get the overall work with the help of LCM. Then we can easily solve the how much time to fill the tank. Like that's why I always used to prefer the LCM method for these kind of problems. Okay, next problem. 2 pi p and q would fill the cistern, okay, would fill the cistern in 12 hours, okay. System is all the tank, that is the one pi means this one, this is the fill the tank, that's it. From the initial only, pipe and cistern. The two pipes P and Q would fill the cistern in 24 hours and 32 hours. When P and Q hours is mentioned, 24 and 32 we already know before problem, that means 96 unit hour it is mentioned. Okay, for 1 hour how much should be 4 unit per hour, as well as here is 32 means 3 unit per hour. If the both pipes are open together, if both pipes are open together, find when first pipe must be turned off. Okay, we need to calculate first time to be turned off means here it is P. We need to calculate N with respect to how much time it is working P. We don't know because if P is means the Q system uh, fill that until the work. Okay, that means Q into what is the given 16. The overall work is 96 is equal to 96. 4 into N we need to calculate the time plus Q 3 into 16 is equal to 96. Therefore, shall we? Okay, 4, 4, 4, the 4, 24, the 4 the 8, 4 for the. Then I will calculate here only common, I will take directly. N plus 3 for the 12 is equal to 24. If I minus N is equal to 12 hours. Okay, 12 hours. A is doing the work. B will take 16 hours, already given the question. The answer should be the 12 hours. The overall unit we need to. That's why I'm taking the LCM method. By using this method, we can solve any of the problem. Okay, next problem is if the two pipes are simultaneously function time simultaneously, the reservoir is filled. Okay, the reservoir is filled. Reservoir means tank filled. B reservoir filled in 12 hours. 12 hours. Okay, 12 hours. Overall question is one pipe fills the overall they given the question, therefore 12 units like that. One pipe fill the reservoir in 10 hours faster than the others. We don't know exactly one pipe means X, other X I will take one more type, it will take 12 hours more than that one. 12, 12, sorry, uh, plus 12 because my handwriting was because I am using the cursor while writing, that's why it is very difficult to handle with the cursor while writing. Okay, total unit is 12 means we already know both pipes are open, take the formula A plus B. Depend upon the situation, better to use the logic as well as the formula Nm divided by N plus M. Overall thing is 12. Therefore, X into, oh sorry, it is the 10, right? It will take more than 10. X into X plus 10 by X plus 10. Okay. Then it should be x square plus 10x is equal to, directly I'm written 2x plus 10, here 2 xx plus 2x I'm taking segregating cross multiplication, that means okay, then it should be um, directly I'm written here it is the 24, here it is the 120, then it should be 24 minus 10 means 24 minus 10 is 14, therefore minus 14 is directly I'm returning 120 is equal to 0. Okay, 120 by quadratic equation I am easily given the answer. 120 means the segregate 120 means one is 20, one is 60. If a be minus 1 minus 1, this is the minus thing, minus 20. This is the one minus 20 means one should be minus, only highest number should be minus 2. The answer should be minus minus means there should be y because my 20. One more thing is 6. Here the answer should be, because negative will not at all happen. The positive is the answer, minus minus plus to answer. This is the one method by using quadratic equation. If you are not at all getting this one, please see the videos of quadratic equation. Definitely will get. Why? Because I'm segregating. If these kind of equations are coming, because 120 is there, we need to 14 is the answer. That's why I'm taking a segregating the highest number as 20 into 16 is 120, as well as if you're adding that one or subtracting that one, minus 20 plus 6, that should be answer minus 40. Directly I'm given the answer. This is the variable of minus 1 by the coefficient. Answer should be 20, or else do like that. Anyway, x is equal to x square minus 20x plus, or else this is the second option I'm telling. If you're not understand, 6x, sorry, this is the minus 120 is equal to 0. X is the common thing. X minus 20 plus 6 is the common thing. If you are taking the common, x minus 20, therefore if you are taking the common, x minus 20 is the one thing, and x plus 6 is the one thing, is equal to 0, is equal to 0. Then if I segregate, s minus 20 is equal to 0, x is equal to 20, one option. One more thing is x plus 6 is equal to 0, x is equal to it will take more time. That's why I'm always used to prefer this method only for quadratic equation. If you're not watching that video, please go and see the video. I will share the link in the description section as well above with the video in the playlist. If you click in the video, definitely will get the playlist link. Okay, next problem. Answer is, what is the thing? 12. Because minus is not a 12 answer, that's why it will take the uh, how many hours does faster pipe take to fill the faster pipe should be 20 hours will take to fill the reservoir. Already they given the combination of the answer is given 12 hours to fill the tank if both pipes are open. The single is faster than which one is B is the thing. We can easily get the answer by using this method. Okay, next problem. If two pipes are function simultaneously, the reservoir filled in also. Okay, same problem. This is, sorry. Okay, this is the problem. Three pipes A, B, C can fill a cistern in 16 hours. Okay, sorry, 6 hours. After working together for 2 hours, okay, I will return. For one work, it is complete. Three pipes they given the question. A plus B plus C is equal to 6 hours they given, or else like that. If after working of after working together for 2 hours, after working for 2 hours, C is closed and A and B fill the tank in 8 hours. Then the okay, after 2 hours C is closed, then B and C is fill the tank in 8 hours. That means question mean to be say, find the time which cistern can be filled by the pipe C. Okay, if alone can, how much time the pipe will fill by the pipe C. Let's see, friend. After 2 hours, 6 hours, after working together of 2 hours, C is closed. That means 6 hours can complete a work, one work. Okay, it will take for 2 hours. How much time it will take? 2 hours. That means should we take less time only? Like numerator keep it as 6. Therefore, 1/3 work. Okay, the remaining work should be happen means that is the C1 only. That is the A plus B. Okay, if 2 hours after work means until that A and B is working means the remaining should be 1 minus 1/3 is 2/3 work. Therefore, that A plus B work is 2/3 work. 2/3 work. Understand? A plus B is equal to, for 2 hours, A plus B can fill the tank in 8 hours is given. Okay, 8 hours is given, friend. Therefore, for 2/3, 8 hours is given means the overall one work should take, whether it is lesser or greater, it will take more time only. Okay, keep it as C8 as is same as 1 divided by 2/3. Therefore, 8 is 24, 24 divided by 2 is 12 hour. Okay, this is the 12 hour time it will take. Fine. Then finally we got A plus B plus C 6 hour and A plus B is 12 hour to complete that time. Then we can use the LCM method same as it is. I will written here. Uh, okay, fine. A plus B plus C is A plus B. Understand? Here it is 6 hour can fill the tank if both pop up. four pipes are open. We already take because 2 hours means 1/3 work happened. If initial 1/3 works means A should be A and B work should be 2/3 work. One work minus 2/3 work, that should be 8 hours. They given the hint for 2/3 work is 8 hours means the complete work will take for A and B work should be 12 hours because we need to find out the full work. That's why I'm taking the one work here. That's why 12 hours. Okay, 6 hour, 12 hour. The LCM of 6 and 12 hour is 12, 12 only. Why? Because 6 is divisible by 2, 12 unit. Understand? Then for single units, for single hour, should be 2 hour. That should be 1 unit per hour. Sorry, unit per hour, 1 unit per hour. Therefore, A plus B plus C. Now it is, this is the A plus B friend. How much time? 2 hour. Fill that time. Here it is now already we got A plus B is 1 from this one. 1 plus C is equal to 2 unit per hour. Sorry, this is the unit per hour. Then C is equal to 1 unit to fill the tank in 1 hour. The overall unit should be 12 hour means 12 hour. 12 hour means it will take 12 hour only. 12 into 1, 12 hour. The answer should be here is 12 hour to fill the tank by using uh, C pipe alone. Alone C can C pipe, it will fill the tank within the 12 hour only. The overall work should be here A plus C, if both pipes are open, should be filled in 6 hours only. We need to calculate alone how much should be happen from the pipe C. The answer should be 12 hours. Like that we need to see the problem, how we need to solve the problem, because here work is given. That's why I'm taking the principle like that. Okay, I'm not using any of this. We already know the unitary method. That's why apply the logic. Anyway, 6 hours is one work should be happen means the remaining work should be 8 hours. They given the question. Okay, after the by using this principle, anyway LCM we got the A plus B plus C value 6 hours and A plus B value is 12 hours. We found out the answer for swallow can fill the pipe in 12 hours. Okay, next problem. Okay, a tank has leak which would be empty in 8 hours. Okay, here is the work is leak only. A tank has a leak which would be empty in 8 hours. A tap is turned into admit in 6 liter a minute into a tank. Okay, the flowing should be 6 liter in a minute because the leaking is happened. Now it is and it is now emptied in 12 hours. Okay, 12 hours. How many liter does tank hold? Okay, how many liters did empty is the process. Here we need to take it a reverse process. That means L and A is dash. Here working is the leak only. That's why we are taking as opposite one. As should be one is 8 hour. Other one more thing is a tap is turned on 8 liters. That means here it is 6. Therefore 8 and 6 LCM is we already know 2 is divisible, 2 4 the 2 3 the, therefore or 4 is the 12, 24 unit is the overall unit. Therefore single hour how much is 3 unit per hour as well as 4 unit per hour. Therefore A plus combination of thing is happen means here it is both are working happen means we not at all given the minus things. uh, okay, this is the thing. 1 4 minus 3 is here this. It's 1 unit for 1 hour to overall unit, or else use this formula directly 86 into nm plus n plus m. 86 24 divided by 14. Okay, formula 8 minus 2, that means a6 the 48, a6 the 48 to 48 divided by 2 is equal to 24, or else use the formula directly. Just I'm applying like so for 24 hours it will take greater time only when 1 hour into 24 divided by 1, that means 24 hour only. Here the tank is filled for here given the hours. Okay, here 6 liter a minute is given. Then we need to convert hour into minute. 24 at 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 60 minute. Therefore that should be 24 into 6 1440 minute is happened. Here it is now emptied in 12 hours. How many liter does hold? Like that the question is given. See the 1 6 liter completed 1 minute means for 1400 minutes, for 1400 how much uh, liters will hold? It should be take more than that only, right? 1440, that means it will hold 181440 means if you are multiplying into 6, 88, sorry, 6 4 48, okay, 14 and 16, so okay. A6400 liter will hold the tank. Fine, this is the answer for this question. And yeah, the thing is 24 euro is the answer. If the question is asking for the how much liter should be hold, that 86440 liter will hold the tank. These are the question. If we are understanding the problem, definitely we could easily solve the problems, because here given the a liter, 6 liter and a minute, I converted as a hour. The given question is hour. We need to convert it as a hour into minutes. Then we can solve how much meter, how much liter will hold the tank. The answer is 86,400, 86,440 liters to hold the tank. Fine. Next problem. Okay, a tank normally filled in 8 hours, but it takes 2 hours longer to fill because of the leak in the bottom in the cistern is filled. How many hours will be empty the tank? This is the same question. Okay, then leak is happened means if it take 2 hours longer means 10 hour it will take. We will a leak, that means dash we need to do nm divided by, I directly apply the formula or else use the LCM method. um, 8 into 10 divided by 10 minus 8 is 2, that means 80 divided by 2 is equal to 40 hours. How many hours will empty that tank? 40 hour will empty that tank for this question. Okay, next question is a pipe can fill a tank in 12 hours. 12 minutes, sorry, 12 minutes. A tank can fill in 12 minutes. 12 minutes. Okay. Another pipe, 15 minutes. Another pipe, I will take it as 15 minutes. But third pipe can empty. Okay. This is the outlet of the pipe. That means the this is the outlet. That means C dash emptied in 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Okay, what is the thing? Okay, if two pipes are kept open for 5 minutes in the beginning. Okay, if two pipes are open in 5 minutes, then third pipe is also open. So open in what time? Okay, initially 5 minutes. The both pipes are open. N pipes are open. After that 5 minutes, C pipes are open. Then after open C pipe, how much time will take the uh, cistern to empty? That means tank. How much time will cistern be empty? This is the question. Okay, fine. We need to overall unit should be 12 into 15 into 6, because 6 is divisible by. I will neglect this one. The remaining should be 6. 12. Then 12 and 15, what is the LCM? 3 for the 12, 3 for the 4 for the 20, 23, just 60 is the uh, thing, 60 unit. For single thing, here it is the dash, we need to maintain. Why? Because C is the outlet, I maintained as a dash. 5 unit per minute. Here it is 16, how much divisible? 4 unit per minute. As well as 6 means 10 unit per minute. Dash unit per minute. Here the question A and B initial together means A plus B is work for 5 minutes. That means we need to calculate 9 into 5. A plus B is 9 into 5. That should be 45 unit. Okay, unit per minute. Understand? The overall should be, what is the thing? Then if it is minus like that, if I initially to do leaked only, then it will take 15 minutes only. 60 remaining should be 60 minus 45, that should be 15 unit per minute. 15 unit per minute. Okay, we need to calculate how much time here for that question. Here A plus B plus C is equal to 9 plus 10. Here should be 5 plus 4 plus 10 means 5 4 9. That's it. 1 unit for 1 minute means 1 minute. Then we need to find out 45 things, because emptied means we need to overall it should be happen. We need to calculate for that one. That means 45, and how much should be happen? That should be 45. We need to remember This work after that it should be linked means the answer should be 45 only for this question. Okay, the answer is 45 unit here. How come? Because 60 unit we need to multiply with how much time is working. 45 minutes for 45 minutes for empty, how much time it will take? 45 minutes only, because a plus b plus c dash is equal to 1 unit for 1 minute. For 45 minutes how much it take? 45 only. The answer is 45 minutes. To the system should be emptied for this time. 45 minutes the system should be emptied. If three taps are opened together, a tank is filled in 12 hours. Okay, if a tank is filled in 12 hours. Okay, the three taps are open together. A tank can fill in because A plus B are open together. The overall is given. Here it is 12. Right? If one of the can fill in, if both are open, the tank is filled in 12 hours. One is open, that means I will take it as C. It will take, sorry, 10 hours. 10 hour and and fill 10 hour. And another and take the time for B, I will take 15 hour. How does third tap work? Okay, it is a very easy question. Compared to take the LCM for 12, 10, and 15. We already know if you are solving that one, 60 should be the LCM, 60 unit. For single unit, how much should be? This is the hour. 5 unit per hour as well as 6 unit per hour. Here it is for 4 unit per hour. We already know A, given question is A plus B plus C is equal to, we got from the equation 5 unit per hour. We already got A and B, 6 plus 10, 10 plus C is equal to 5 unit per hour. Therefore, C is equal to 5 unit for 5 1 hour. The overall unit should be 60 unit. Then should we take motor 1 into 60 numerator and denominator 5, 5 12. The 12 hours it will take the time to fill the tank. The C is the if the C is will take, if alone can fill in 12 hours. If both are if all are open, 12 hours. Like that we need to answer. This is the same question already previously I solved. I will take one more question. I will wind up this session. I covered all the problem. These kind of problem asking in the exam. If for analyzing, definitely we could solve any of the problem within a second by using these logics. Okay. ABCs are three pipes connected to a tank. Okay, three pipes are connected to a tank to fill the tank. A and B together can fill the tank in 6 hours. Here given the question is A plus B fill the tank in 6 hours. Okay, and B and C fill the tank in B and C, B plus C fill the tank in 10 hours. And A and C together fill the tank in 7.5 hours. That would be, I will take it as C plus A as 15, 7.5 I will return as 15 by 2. Okay, and then I will make it as LCM. For the LCM, how much 2 is the LCM is? Here it coming as 12, here it is coming as 20, here coming as 15. Already we know 60 should be the LCM, 60 unit hour with respect to hour. For 1 hour, how much should be? 5 unit per hour. Here, so 20. Why I'm always used to mention the unit? It would be very easy to solve the problem if I'm written with the units. Okay, here A plus B plus C, if adding together the answer should be 2A plus, because A plus A is equal to 2A, B plus B is equal to 2B, C plus C is 2C. If all combined together, A plus B plus C, 2A plus B plus C, and in 12 hours, 5 plus, okay, this is a 3, sorry, this is a 3 unit per hour, 5 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 unit per hour. Therefore, if I dividing that one, A plus B plus C become 6 unit per hour. Okay. We already know A plus B is equal to 6 means 5 unit. A plus B is equal to 5 unit, but C should be, if I'm minusing, here it is a 6. I'm directly I will equating 1 unit per for 1 hour. The overall unit should be 60 unit. 60 unit means it will take 60 hour. For C is the 61. Okay. The thing next one is A is equal to 3 unit. Because why? Because 3 unit. Here B plus C is equal to 3 unit. Therefore, 6 minus 3 is 3 unit for 1 hour. 1 hour. Therefore, 60 unit is equal to 20 hour. Fine. This is the second one. And third one, C is equal to 2 unit for 1 hour. C 2 for 1 hour. Then, uh, sorry, B is for because A C plus A is equal to 4. 6 minus 4 is 2 hour. Therefore, 60 is equal to 30 hour. The answer should be 20, 30, 60. What is the option? We need to. Okay. The answer should be 60, 20. Sorry, 30 and 20. Because we need to divide by 2. Why? Because already we getting asked by 2, right? The answer should be by 2. 30, 15 and 10 is the answer. A is the answer for this question because I'm equalizing with the LCM with 2. Why? Because we need to aware for that one. If you are aware for that, definitely answer should be correct. And answer should be finally 60, 30, 10. We need to divide by 2. Answer should be 30, 15, 10 is the answer for this question. Maybe you got all the problem. I covered all the problems. If there are any doubts in your mind, please let me know in the comment section. If you are liking this video, please hit the like button and the subscribe button. For the future video, please hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video. Keep supporting friends. Thank you very much.